can tell from this tree that the seasons are changing. Right, Pierre? And I feel I must give you an update on all the projects that did not get completed. My dad always said I had eyes bigger than my stomach, and it's always been true. Even before I started doing this weekly vlog, I couldn't get things done as fast as I thought, but now I give over probably 2 whole days to doing this vlog, and that's cut my success rate down considerably. So I have decided I'm going to spend the next couple days trying to get the roof on Stanley's house done, the wire mesh, you know, the hardware cloth on top of that, just so it'll have good protection from any hail next spring and heavy snows during the winter. I'm not going to worry about the side wire right now. I figured out how to make this sliding screen door like a barn door. So I'm really excited that that's figured out. So next spring, early, I should be able to finish this entire thing and won't have to deal with all the critters stealing all my fruit. And they'll be protected from the hail. So my big failure is not being able to get this greenhouse roof on for my cold frame. I ran into some problems besides the time problem. And the problem is this shed, you know, it's a massive job. Besides that, the floor is ridiculous. Slopes down, way down on that edge and all along the back edge. I'm not sure about the other 2 edges, but so that's a big conundrum, because if I want a flat floor, I'm going to have to redo the whole floor or put a floor over the top of this. And the other problem is I really want to change the whole setup of this. As I mentioned before, I'm going to divide this in half. This half is going to be a greenhouse. It's going to be a wall down the middle. That half is going to be a workshop. And I actually want to make a flat roof all along that side so that I can put a sitting deck up on top, a little long skinny sitting deck up there. This roof will be slanted greenhouse material panels that I bought. But in order to have enough support for this, you know, flat deck roof up here, I'm going to create a wall down here, but I need to create big beams that would hold a roof, a sitting deck up there. And the problem is there's nothing under this floor, this plywood. I don't think there's any concrete slab under here. And if I take up all this, you know, chipboard plywood stuff, I'm going to make a lot of snakes and critters very unhappy right before the freezing weather, because they live under there, and I don't want to have to make them go find a new place to live right when the weather is starting to freeze. And so I'm a big softie. And plus I've run out of time. It's going to be really cold, and my thoughts are turning to indoors instead of outdoors. I have 2 bathrooms to redo inside the house, which if you watch, you may be privy to my strange approach to everything.